Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best makeup tips and tricks to help you slay your makeup game. I'm Sanya, and today we have some fantastic makeup tips of the day that you won't want to miss. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss our latest beauty videos. Let's get started. Our first tip of the day is all about achieving a flawless base. Before applying foundation, always start with a clean and moisturized face. This will ensure that your makeup goes on smoothly and lasts longer. Don't forget to apply a primer, as it creates a smooth canvas for your foundation and helps to blur out pores and fine lines. Using a damp beauty sponge or a foundation brush, blend your foundation in thin layers for a more natural finish. Remember, less is more. For any blemishes or dark circles, apply a concealer that matches your skin tone and gently tap it in with your finger, a perfect base to start building your makeup look. Next up, let's talk about creating statement eyes. If you want your eye makeup to last all day, start with an eye primer to prevent creasing. For today's look, we'll be focusing on a sultry, smoky eye. Take a neutral shade as your transition color and blend it into the crease. Now choose a darker shade and apply it to the outer corner of your lid, creating a V shape. Blend it well to avoid any harsh lines. To add depth, apply a black or dark brown shadow along your upper and lower lash lines. Line your upper lash line with black eyeliner, and for an extra pop, apply a shimmery shade to the center of your lid. Finish off with generous coats of mascara to make your lashes look fuller and longer. No makeup look is complete without rosy cheeks and luscious lips. Let's get that healthy glow. Choose a blush color that complements your skin tone. Smile and apply the blush to the apples of your cheeks, blending it slightly upwards for a natural flush. For the lips, exfoliate them first to remove any dry skin. Then, apply a lip balm to keep them hydrated. Opt for a lip liner that matches your natural lip color and outline your lips. Finally, apply your favorite lipstick shade for a perfect pout. Now that you've created a stunning makeup look, let's make sure it stays in place all day long. Using a setting spray, mist your face to lock in your makeup and give it a natural dewy finish. This step also helps to prevent your makeup from smudging or fading. There you have it, our fabulous makeup tips of the day. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found these tips helpful. If you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your makeup-loving friends. Also, let us know in the comments below if there are any other makeup looks or beauty topics you'd like us to cover in future videos. Thank you all for watching, and until next time, stay beautiful and confident.